How to use ZipPay at Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use your ZipPay at your Amazon account. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Amazon account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your account, just simply explore the app, and after that just select the product that you would want to buy. Now remember that all the products that are available in Amazon are not eligible for you to pay with ZipPay. There are very few items that you can buy using your ZipPay at your Amazon account. So once you select the product that is eligible for you to make payment through your ZipPay, just put that product into your cart. And once you put that product into your cart, just simply go to the cart section from the bottom menu of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and after that just simply click on proceed to buy. And after that just simply select the delivery address for the product that you would want to buy. And after that, on the next page, on the payment method, you will be able to see the option called MobiKwik, on which you can pay through your ZipPay. So this is basically how you will be able to use your ZipPay at your Amazon account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.